Get strong.
Anywhere you're at in this world watching, welcome to another vlog. 12 years gone. Today I'm gonna season 3 pounds of chicken for my Sunday dinner. First, I wash them properly with vinegar and a little lime juice. Then I drain the chicken properly, and at the time I combine all my seasoning, which I'm gonna pour over it. Ooh. Secondly, I cut these finely ahead of time, which I'm gonna pour over. And lastly, but not least, I'm gonna drizzle a little browning, not too much. I don't want it too dark. Then I'm going to add a little dash there, and combine everything until we get a golden brown color. You see that? Just dip and turn, dip and turn, dip and turn, dip and turn, dip and turn. See that? Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Yo, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful evening. 12 years gone.